Hi, hello. So, I'm, gonna be researching something, but in drawing pad. Is water wet? Well, my thinking to this of water being wet is if water, this is water, okay? Just say this is water. I know my drawing skills aren't that good, but it will probably improve if I do this more. If that water is wet, right? This water wet, and this little house no wet, no wet. All right, so wet and no wet, okay? All right, if water is not wet, so okay, if water is wet, then if water isn't wet, okay, say in a different place, that water is not wet. Not wet. Then what is, right? Like Diet Coke or something. Let's say, where's brown? There. Diet Coke. Little bottle Diet Coke. Um, that looks wrong. Okay. Diet Coke, right there. Coke. If Diet Coke is, so if water's not wet, then what would be? Right? But no. According to this website, water isn't wet by itself, but it makes other materials wet when it sticks to the surface of them. I look, I know Google isn't always right, so let's look at other things or let's go to a different website. Is water wet? It'll pull me up to a website. This. Being a liquid, water is not itself wet, but it can make other materials wet. That's another thing. Okay, water is wet because you need H2O molecules, but that's just from a debate thing. Okay. Well, 2 out of 3, water is basically wet, I guess, or isn't wet. Okay, so our conclusion is solid combined with water is wet. But water itself is not wet. You see, so this is so confusing, but how to explain this? Okay, you get the basic deal. Water is not wet, even though it really seems like it. It really isn't. But water combined with a solid is now wet. Is now wet. So there you have it. That's how I think of it and my research to it. Tell me if you see otherwise on different websites and yeah. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.